Domanda 1. Complete. The keys are underscore 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 the table. A in. B on. C at. D under, also possible, but here we want on. The correct answer is B. On is used for a surface, like a table. La resposta corretta è la B. Domanda 2. Complete. There is some milk underscore 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 the fridge. A in. B on. C at. D between. The correct answer is A. In is used for something inside a closed space, like a fridge. La risposta corretta è la A. Domanda 3. Complete. I will meet you underscore 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 6 o'clock. A in. B on. C at. D since. The correct answer is C. At is used with clock times. La risposta corretta è la C. Domanda 4. Complete. My birthday is underscore 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 May. A in. B on. C at. D for. The correct answer is A. In is used with months. La risposta corretta è la A. Domanda 5. Complete. The meeting is underscore 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 Monday. A in. B on. C at. D since. The correct answer is B. On is used with days of the week. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 6. Complete. She lives underscore 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 Rome. A in. B on. C at. D to. The correct answer is A. In is used with cities and countries. La risposta corretta è la A. Domanda 7. Complete. He is standing underscore 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 the door. A in. B on. C at. D between needs two things. The correct answer is C. At is often used with a specific point, like a door. La risposta corretta è la C. Domanda 8. Complete. The cat is underscore 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 the box. A in. B on. C at. D to. The correct answer is A. In is used for something inside a container. La risposta corretta è la A. Domanda 9. Complete. We usually go on holiday underscore 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 summer. A in. B on. C at. D for. The correct answer is A. In is used with seasons. La risposta corretta è la A. Domanda 10. Complete. The bank is underscore 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 the supermarket and the school. A in. B on. C at. D between. The correct answer is D. Between is used when something is in the middle of two things. La risposta corretta è la D.